What is up, traders? How you guys doing tonight? We are on a unscheduled, unplanned live stream. Here we are. Things been a little sketchy lately, so I figured good time as any. Might as well go live, see what everybody's feeling, how they're doing tonight. I'm not feeling too bad. Too bad. This is not the prettiest Bitcoin's ever looked, but when is it? Is it ever pretty looking? Not really. Not really. Nice. 245? We're just blowing up tonight. I guess people wanted some TA, man. Happy to do it. Happy to be here. That's right. All right, I got the Discord link pinned to the top of the chat. Go ahead, jump in there if you're not in there yet. If you're new here, welcome. Welcome to our crypto family. Glad you found us. We're live almost every day, pretty much every day. You might as well call it every day. Right here, looking at the charts. No FOMO, no FUD. Just charts, no BS. That's what we deliver day in, day out. Real quick, hold on with me, or hold on for me here. I gotta make sure these Discord links. The bot always spams the wrong link. I don't really understand why. Want to make sure that nobody runs into that problem tonight. Hopefully that fixed it. God knows. God knows. Yep, buttons aren't working. That's cool. Let me spam this link a few million times. Go. There's the link. All right, all right. 523, right on. Welcome back, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button for the new stream. 79 likes, 500 watching. We can do way better than that. Way better than that. You guys, I believe in you. The more likes we get, the better YouTube ranks us in the search results. The more people see the stream. It's really a positive feedback loop. The more likes, the better. That's right. Let's take a look here at the charts. Take a look at the charts. Oh, we've been watching these different pairs. Been watching Bitcoin USD. Been watching BTC GBP. It's a tongue twister. BTC Euro. They're all pretty much in agreement at this point. We had a little divergence, a little disagreement in the last few days. I guess actually I say that and we do have a little bit. I'll get into that then. Not a big deal. Virtually everything. Every pair reaching down to that 50 MA daily. Moving average. Not really what maybe many of us wanted to see, but this is just what we saw in January, and the coincidences don't stop there. Back in January 27th, we saw a touch to the 50 daily moving average. That's what we're seeing here again. This is a textbook play from the corn. Let me get those tunes back on. There we go. We need some tunes. It's a tunes kind of night. Let me know if that volume is too loud. Probably will be. Textbook play. So here we are, sitting on the 50 MA, traded intraday below, closed above, and now we have a little green candle sitting here in the first hour of this new day. Is this the bottom? That's what everyone wants to know. Is the dip over? I'll say probably. If you notice today, virtually every YouTube stream crypto title full of fear, full of downside targets, full of anything but hope. And that's why we're here. Balance out the universe. So first let's go over what are you guys feeling? What are you feeling? I'm thinking we go over the bearish argument. Then we see why we might be looking for a bounce sometime soon. You guys in? Probably. We'll get this out of the way. And then I don't know what we're going to do after that. I don't really plan on streaming today. Alright. Yeah, we'll do that. We got brother Gavin chilling tonight. Ah, you know what? We might even have another special guest. Ooh, somebody you all might know, might be familiar with. We'll see. You know what? Let's make that happen. Right on. Ooh, I'm just like locking down. Right on. All right, let's get through. I'm like sitting here trying to organize this. All right, right on. Right on. Okay, let's get through a little TA. You know what? We'll do this. We'll look at why we might be bouncing here, why we might not, where we might look below us. Then we're just gonna get into some banter. I feel like it's a banter night, so we're gonna have some people on, have a little social event. So here we are. Argument number 1. January, same move, 50 daily. We saw this pretty much exactly the same. We lost the 20 daily. Now we're at the 50. Below, we see the 100 hovering just above 40,600, below 45.2, the lowest point in February after the sell-off. So I guess we can say, well, we're at the 50. We were there before January. What else? What other similarities do we have? There's a few. It's not just the 50. In January, we were in a similar situation as to where we are right now in February or March. Look at my time. Options, futures, contracts expiring tomorrow. Well, I guess in Bitcoin terms, that's today. The largest expiration coming up in today's daily candle. What happened last time? Well, pretty much the same thing. We saw January sell off into options expiration, touch the 50, and the rest is history. Exactly the same setup here today. It's almost too clean. Too clean. I don't like it. I don't trust it. Let's take a look here on bybt.com. We can see these highest points in open interest. We have December 23rd, January 28th, and here we are. This doesn't actually seem updated. There should be somewhat more. We looked at this yesterday in our stream. Might not be totally right. Let's look at open interest. I'll just click it. There we are. We see currently $31 billion in open interest. That is quite a penny. Quite a penny. Now, I want to remind everybody, open interest, this is not something that leans bullish, not something that leans bearish. It really has no bias. But what it does tell us is that we can expect volatility on their expiration. Why? Because $31 billion worth of positions are no longer influencing price. So does that guarantee up or down? No, unfortunately it does not. But that's okay. We're right back to the same scenario as January, literally sitting on the same moving average on the daily. Draw your own conclusions there. You can do it. Pretty interesting setup. Where might we look below? Well, my eyes would obviously go to the low after the high in February, 45,200. If that is lost, we would look likely to January's high, 40,600. But the chart that's not really interesting. Let's use our price tool. Let's look at these retraces. So to almost match, actually to creepily match January's sell-off, we saw a high of 42,000 reaching down to 28.7. That was a 31% retrace. What would that look like here? That would put us just above, not just January's high, but also
Mitch
the 100.
on too many tornadoes. Appreciate you coming on 0.
Mobius.
000481222 BTC.
000481222 BC. What's up, Mobius? You know what, guys? Let's all, as a crypto community, let's put our hands together and let's send out those good vibes to not just Mitch, but anyone right now that might be experiencing some threatening conditions or not able to access the internet. Send our good energy out, guys. We're all Team Crypto here. We gotta look out for ourselves. Gotta look out for each other. But thank you, brother Mobius. Yeah, of course, man. Like, yeah. When in Rome. I love saying that and then never following up on it, so I'm gonna leave it there. The same pullback as January, 31%. That puts us right at the 100 daily. This would be the logical next target if the 50 daily is lost. Now, it is not currently lost. Intraday yesterday, traded below, closed above. Now we're seeing some green. Not super compelling green. Really hasn't gone anywhere. But as long as this daily stays above the 50, I think things are looking decent. I think another logical thing to look at would be, all right, let's see what February did. Minus 26%. Where does that land us? Spookily at 45.2. That would be all too clean. All of these numbers are possible. All these numbers are possible. But at this point, nobody's gonna know. The biggest indicator I've seen is, well, everyone on YouTube's bearish. Time to not be bearish. It's that easy. So what do I think? I think we bounce here. I think we bounce and we retest the 20. We'll see what happens at the 20. You can see in February, we didn't quite reach that 50. Even in January when we did, we hit that 50. We saw a higher low before moving higher. This would be the most probable move, in my opinion. Easy peasy. Daily, still in selling mode, but we see that the decline is getting softer, especially here in the new daily, unless we see significant downside action. We're looking at this selling momentum at least chilling out for a little bit. We don't have a lower low on our MACD. Not yet. There's not a lot going on. This sell-off, I will say this, is seemingly way more spooky than it is actually threatening. The daily finally here, reaching a new lower low. That's bullish divergence in the making. If we see any kind of rally, we have a lower low on RSI, a higher low in price. That's what we're looking for. That's honestly what was missing. It's honestly what was missing in the last few days. We were waiting, looking for this bullish divergence to show. Finally, maybe it's here. So, all right. Let's take a look at maybe the 12-hour. See a little more zoomed in. We did get that awful bearish engulf in the 12-hour that we were looking for in the last stream. That led to continued selling. Womp. Not a big deal. Not a huge deal. 100. This blue moving average is the 100 12-hour. I will warn you guys, that's the same thing as the 50 daily, so don't get too excited. We do see the 12-hour does not have much room. Doesn't have much more room to the upside. There it is, actually, while I'm speaking of it. Currently bullish engulfed the previous 12-hour. That's not a bad start, gentlemen and ladies. The hourly into this new candle off the 50 daily looking spicy. Retaking the 1 hour's 20 moving average. This would be a great place to close in the next 13 minutes. We'll see how that goes. We might we be confident enough to maybe pull out a Trace Tito's? I don't know. Maybe. This chart is just in that situation where we have a higher high on this month. We exceeded February's high. As long as we don't see a lower low in the month, I just fail to understand where all this bearishness is coming. We see March opened at 43,000. Now back testing, or not back testing, but now testing 50. That's still progress. That's 20% gain to the lowest point now. Blowing my mind as to why the bearishness is so strong right now. Doesn't make any sense. I don't get it. Why are you guys bearish? Share with me. 1,052 viewers. Holy crap. Only 178 likes though. It's not great. What's up? Everybody's out of likes? I mean, I understand. You know, you only have so many likes in your mouse finger. What's going on with that? Smash that like button. There we go. 200 likes off, just like that. 1,100 viewers. Welcome, guys. All right. You know what? I think it's time. Let me send the messages out. Bear with me. Bear with me here. I gotta send some messages out. We have some special guests. You guys will know who they are. I'm bored of TA. There's no TA to be done. It's like, here we are at the 50. We either bounce. If we don't, then we're looking for the 100 daily. There's not going to be really anything that tells you anything more than that. I like you, bro tip.
Smash that like button. If not, YouTube is going to kidnap Tom.
That is actually true. I am in danger. I am in serious danger. You never know, man. The YouTube police. If you don't get enough likes, they come take you. They swift you away. Just like that. Alright, I'm organizing this a little meat. Let's see. See how this works out. If I turn the sound down. I've never had anyone on live before on our channel, so this is a big deal. I figured, why not? It's kind of the day people need distraction. Ooh, nice. My vape order sent. This working? Alright, let's see how this works. Organizing. Alright, let's go. Okay. Alright, see a little... Start voice call. Here we go. Let's see if anybody picks up. Oh, wow. I got responses. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Yo.
What's happening?
Yo, my man. Let's see. Is everyone gonna have that same reaction? I wonder. I was blown away. Yo. Here we go. We got the boys on a Thursday night.
Well, let me make a cup of coffee real quick. I'll be right back.
Yeah, man. Grab it. Bet he's calling Mitch Ray. I don't know if he'd pick up my phone call, actually. Getting coffees. Let me see. I gotta shill everybody else for him. Or shill everyone else's. YouTube's. Here we go. Put it in the description. Here we go. There we go. Coffee hype. Ah, there you go, man. People blowing up. They know who you are. You're a celebrity, my man. A real celebrity. A pencil neck. Hating. Trade taking celebrity.
You were calling him a pencil neck.
I thought that too for a second. And we got brother Gavin here, man. It's just a boys' night. Just we're hanging out, watching the corn grow. How you feeling today, Gavin? What do you think?
Doing all right, man. Everyone's bearish. I'm bullish.
Mitch Ray is a
Exactly.
pompous gingerly, don't call
Oh.
him.
Oh.
He would probably ask for money to appear anyhow, Mr. $20 for a request.
Ouch. Ouch. Let's not hate. Especially somebody who might be in danger tonight. I heard there's some bad weather over there. What it is. That's how I feel, though, dude. That's how I feel. Everyone else is bearish. That's the time to get your bull boots on. Easy as that.
Bitcoin does things people don't think of.
It's just like when people are all looking in the one direction, it's going in the other.
Yeah.
So in honor of Crypto Face being here, even though he's grabbing a coffee, I'm gonna put the hawk handles on just for you, so you feel at home. Thinking Ashi.
Brewing a nice little butter toffee, cup of coffee, a little cup of Joe.
Nice.
You know, man, I've been on a content roll today, dude.
Dude, you've been beasting on YouTube. You've been flexing. Congrats, by the way.
To do. That's not true, but I can't help it, dude. Like, I feel like if there's something that, like, I feel like maybe can help, you know, I gotta
Right on.
shout it out.
Right on. How you feeling about this sell-off?
Pencil neck sole's about to be crushed.
Yeah, I'm what like the whole thing, like
Yeah.
in general, or
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like being at
whale?
50,000. How you feel about that?
I actually feel good overall. Like if this was the top and is the top, I would totally be okay with it. I'm not saying it is, but I actually just like did a video kind of explaining my thoughts, like my TA on the market right now. And by the way, dude, I've been up almost like 24 hours.
Oh.
Slept almost 24 hours.
Okay.
So if I'm a little shitty at putting
Just saying,
words
hi
to
brother,
my
thanks
brain,
for what you do. Oh,
give me a
chit
break.
crypto face too.
But what I was
Thank
saying
you
was,
Sorry, I got interrupted
going
by
to like 54. There's like
Two-Face.
2 support levels I have at like 54K, I think.
Mm-hmm.
That is like my crucial point. Like if we get there and we don't make it past, like
Yep.
kind of bad news.
I can see that. Definitely saw support there. Multiple days. Then he sold off underneath. I could definitely see a rejection from there being best
it's like
savage.
high 54s, low 55.
Yep.
I think.
Yep.
Yep.
By the way, guys, Crypto Face, if you're not familiar with him, let me shill him. Go subscribe to him. This dude knows what he's talking about. One of the few. One of the few on YouTube.
Thank you.
Gavin doesn't have a YouTube channel yet. Probably will. At some point, we'll shill him then. Yeah, man, I don't know. This just feels par for the course. It's like we have a new monthly high. Wasn't that exhilarating. There's not enough hype. Like, I feel like if this was the top, we would see noobs saying, buy the dip, everything's good. And it seems the opposite to me. It's like people have been kind of bearish on this new high. Never really got back to that hype euphoria. It's just the psychology.
It's been, like, if it, I mean, every, like, the chat and the community's always like, if it goes up a little bit bullish, down bearish, but it's been amplified a lot these past few days. Like, if it goes up $100, everyone's screaming, this is it. You know, I might be guilty a little bit myself, kind of, as far as the emotions, you know, but yeah.
That's fair. I mean, we all get them. Easy to give into them. I don't know. We were at 4,000, under 4,000, basically a year ago today. It's hard to be bearish for me. Maybe that's my weakness. It's just like hard to bet. It's like, man, we're up 10x plus. We've barely seen any downside in a year, entire year. Maybe it's time, but
exactly a year, just like a week or two ago, I'm pretty sure, wasn't it? Or pretty recent. It was exactly like 1 year since this mega run.
Yeah, it's March 13th. Here we are today, 26th. We have options expiring. I don't know. I don't feel like I've seen enough. I don't think I've seen enough euphoria yet. I honestly feel like there was more euphoria 2019 at like 14K. Now we're at 51.
No, man.
How do you feel? You were there.
Dude, I think it's different. I think it's different euphoria. I think there's more like I heard the people out in public at dinner talking about Litecoin, and bro, I'm hearing this NFT. I'm hearing NFTs
yeah.
a lot right now in public.
That's true though. NFTs, it is a different almost euphoria. It's wild how much attention, like, I've had people not even reach out to me about Bitcoin, but about NFTs. And they're like, man, should I buy these? And I'm like, I don't know, man. You really want to buy $1,000 image? I don't know. Is someone going to buy it from you for more? Like, I don't get it.
I don't really understand it. Like, I don't really understand it at all. Or maybe it's like overcomplicating it. But people are saying like you should NFT this song, this video, a picture, whatever.
Maybe you should.
Is it just like an ownership mark on the blockchain? Is that what an NFT is? Saying like you own something on the blockchain?
Yep. I think people think it's like pictures, but it isn't just pictures. It's like anything that can be kind of put on a blockchain. So Unstoppable Domains sells like .crypto addresses, right? And technically, those addresses or those domain names are also NFTs. So like tomcrown.crypto. Actually, do you ever claim yours? I bet they reserved yours too. At cryptoface.crypto. That's a terrible domain.
Hang on, my coffee's done brewing. I'll be right back.
Yeah, go for it, brother.
Tom, you can ask the crypto of the face I need his help turning 200k into 1 million.
Josh, I don't know if he's for hire like that, my friend. Everyone's audio's too low. Let me turn it up. That might be better. Sorry if everyone else's audio's too low. Cranked it up. Yeah, I don't know. We look at the last peaks, bull runs. Have we really weathered this much? You know, like this much. Is this similar? I don't know. It would be mind blowing to me if this is the top. It's too quiet. Dude, the top has to end with like 100% gain. You know, from like 10k to 20k in a week. Get everyone running after it. I just don't see it. To me, it looks the most like the pre all-time high price action. These like little peaks up, pullbacks, slow growth.
Okay, I got my coffee. I closed out of my video games.
There we go.
So I can focus on the
of your video games. I should play video games on here, except then everyone would turn it off. Nobody wants to watch me play video games. Not good at it.
Dude, when I play video games on stream, my views definitely go down. I got a strike one time too from YouTube for like gun violence. I told them I was playing a video game. Like, you guys stream video games all the time, right? And that was actually one of the ones I won.
They love striking you. They love it.
I've been a good boy lately. I've been trying.
Good.
I mean, kind of not. I've just actually been covering my rear end more. Like, if I say something I shouldn't have, I get rid of the whole stream. You know what I mean? At the end of it.
It's sad that's what it comes to, though. I feel you, though. Like, I had my own bout with YouTube, 2 years ago now, or a year and a half ago, too. I almost quit. I almost quit YouTube. Because no matter what I did, they just kept giving me strikes. But I've been a good boy.
But dude, it's like being in the jail system in California. Like, once you're in, man, you're in, and there's nothing you can do. You're in the blender.
100%. Like,
you need like a presidential pardon.
I don't even know if that would help you. I mean, like, it's a good start, but it's so true, man. Once they come after you, they get a taste for that blood. I'm just trying to avoid that, like, at all costs. It gave me so much stress. Like, I would wake up in the middle of the night to an email, and I'd be like, oh my god, I got another strike. And it would just be like spam.
Copyright, but you're okay.
Yeah, you're fine. Don't worry about it. Actually, that's been happening to me a lot. A ton. I've been getting not strikes, but
for what?
For just music that is not copyright, but maybe like year plus old videos where it's like a copyright claim out of nowhere from whatever, I don't know, random publisher. I don't even dispute them anymore. I'm like, screw it. These videos, it doesn't affect my channel. They're like claiming the revenue on the 0 views it gets. Like, go ahead. Go for
it. Random off crypto topic question.
Do it.
Has anyone started getting these weird Amazon text messages like yesterday, today on their phone?
Let me check.
So like on like Facebook and stuff, and people I know in different parts of the planet are getting like these random texts from quote unquote Amazon, like some scam calls and like scam messages have been going crazy since like COVID.
Yeah, they have.
But this weird Amazon shit just started like yesterday, today, and apparently it's going all over the place.
What are they trying to get you to do? Like enter your login or?
Dude, I'm pretty sure one of them went to a naughty webcam website.
Amazon needs to talk to you about naughty webcams.
Yeah.
I haven't gotten any actually. But scams have been rampant. Like I don't open anything anymore, just from any source, especially if they text me. That is my biggest red flag. If anything texts me that's from a number I don't know,
Amazon
I just delete
Customer
it.
of the Year. Dude, see these people in the chat. Is Amazon Customer of the Year?
Customer of the
What
Year,
the
what?
hell is that? What
what
is
is it?
going on? Dude, I'm telling you, they got breached, bro. Someone got super fucking excuse my French. Am I allowed to curse on here?
I don't know. Yeah, just keep it
All right.
classy.
Well, I
You're
mean,
good.
all right, I'm sorry. You're right. I'm sorry. Let me put my sunglasses on.
There you go.
All right.
You're good.
Yeah, dude. Something's going on with that.
I guess people know.
There was a
too,
breach, and someone hasn't fessed up to it yet.
Even worse than the Ledger one, I'm guessing. That's funny. A lot of people apparently know what you're talking about. Yo, Mr. Steve Optical Arts here. How you doing, brother? I haven't seen you in a while. Wow. Man, I was wondering if you were alright, man. Good to see you. I just get the standard spam where it's like, we would like to sponsor your channel YouTube. Please promote our coin. New DeFi. And I just delete it. Sound like broken English. Get maybe 5 or 10 of those a day. Something like that.
In your email?
Oh yeah, because I have my like business email linked to YouTube. Hey, CryptoFace, is it hot where you're at? Is it warming up? Because it's like almost summertime here out of nowhere.
Actually, it's a little cool. It's cool out here, but yeah, the weather is supposed to be heating up. It's getting
I'm
to be about
melting.
that time.
It was snowing like 2 weeks ago. Now I'm sitting here like sweating. Gotta figure. I think I have to hook up my air conditioner. By the way, CryptoFace here on our live. Go check out his channel. I'm assuming you have your vanity URL, right? YouTube CryptoFace.
Thanks for having me. I don't know what you're talking about, to be honest with you.
There you go. Yeah, youtube.com/CryptoFace brings you right to your channel, man.
Nice.
Nice.
Sweet. I always like have put in a bunch of random numbers and letters for all I know. That's sweet.
Yeah, you get the vanity one years ago, probably. Either way, just broke 100K. This guy, huge, catching up with BitBoy.
Man, crazy. I had a lot of help from BitBoy. The Koreans came in out of nowhere. Koreans came and gave me a good push.
Hey, Koreans, come subscribe. And subscribe to me.
Yeah, they're powerful, bro. They came out of nowhere like last week.
Yeah, you blew up. I remember back in the day. CryptoFace only had. Actually, I have no idea. You had like 50 or something. How many subscribers have you gained in the last 3 months? I'm curious. You don't have to share if you don't want.
Let me take a look.
Yeah, I'm curious.
Let me go to the old Social Blade and take a look here.
Social Blade.
It's like I had a couple chapters in my YouTube career where I hit the plateaus. Like my first plateau was at like 5K subs, and that's like when I stopped caring about how many views, like how many subs I got. And then I think like 20 was another one where I was getting held back from like YouTube. Let's see here.
Dude, no conspiracy. They do throttle. They throttle at like random numbers. I had the same experience. It was like from 0 to 10K took a year maybe.
Yep.
Like about a year. And then from 10K to like now we're almost at 30. It's been like a few months. And crypto's been on fire, so it's like that helps. But at the same time, no way is it not like, I don't know, orchestrated or something. Like it's conspiracy time here.
Trying to find, maybe it'll be in my like dashboard, like my subscriber count history. Let me go to my analytics.
I gotta take this hoodie off, but I still got my headphones on. I hear you.
Dude, you're jacked, by the way, bro. I saw you had the guns out the other day.
Thank you, sir.
Take a look, see here. Are you Gavin, by the way?
Yo, I'm Gavin, yeah. Sorry, I'm just working on something.
I hear that, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, brother.
Yes,
There we
sir.
go. It's a little better. That hoodie was too much. Thank you, bruh. I've been back at the gym the last like 2 weeks, so you know.
Makes a difference, bro, huh? When
It
you
does,
get back
though.
in the gym, yeah. That first 2 weeks back at the gym, you're like, yeah.
Yep. Just flexing, wearing tank tops all the time out in public. Like,
Oh yeah, walking all tall.
yep, walking super like with lots of posture, and you're like maybe a week ago kind of hunched over. I dig it. It feels
Waving
good.
those arms back and forth.
Yeah, everyone out there watching, go back to the gym. I didn't go for over a year because of the old pandemic. And it was not a good year. Got to get back in.
Is it me, or does YouTube change their like analytics dashboard every other week?
Yep,
and
every
it's
day.
impossible to.
I love it though. I will say, shout out to YouTube. Analytics are boss. Like
I'm seeing numbers, charts, all kinds.
Yep.
I love what I'm seeing. I just have no idea what I'm looking at.
Dude, as a chart guy, don't you love it? You're like, look at all these stats. I can solve all of my problems by interpreting these stats. That's
like every word means the same thing.
Yep.
It's like audience, engagement, reach.
They're all the same. They're all the same.
What the hell?
Dude, they're all the same. You're like engagement, audience, all of them are like total people who watched it. You're like,
okay, here we go. Lifetime. Okay.
Ooh.
I'm still trying to answer your original question. So.
Oh, yes. Yeah, because I remember, man, you've come a long way in a short time, but I feel that we have too, as a community. We've come a long way.
Man, I need to start monetizing my channel.
Have you not been? Yeah, you definitely need to.
No, and I wanted to give it to charity because we, like the finance industry, our ads pay the most.
I agree.
So
I agree. Yo, you know what? We were talking about this last night on one of our little patron things. I was looking through YouTube's charitable, because you can. I don't know how it exactly works, but I think maybe like super chats go to charity then or something.
Really?
Yeah, you can select it. And I was looking through them, and obviously some of them are kind of crap. But we noticed that we have a bunch of people from Aussie in our patron, and they were saying, hey, are there any kind of like Sydney flood relief charities? And there weren't. And I don't, that doesn't have to be the topic, but it seems like maybe there's some real world events going on that aren't covered by it. I would be down to do like a charity thing. I don't know. The more people we get on board, probably just the bigger it'd be. Doesn't have to be for Sydney. But maybe tornado insurance charity. Do that too.
Bar chart, come on.
Patrick Pellegrino betraying a charity or in a tornado, not charity. I hope he's all right, and sending my good energy out to all of our fam out there who might be dealing with some weather stuff. Same thing happened with Texas and the snow a month ago. Gotta look out for people. But dude, I think that's such a good point, is being in finance, especially on YouTube. Like we do have some resources, and our viewers have resources. I think the more we can put that out there for people in need, the better. I'm down. Gavin, how do you feel about that?
Sorry, what did you say?
I was just talking about like YouTube finance and how we have means and our viewers have means, and we should put that towards some good stuff.
Oh yeah.
I knew Gavin would.
I'm always down for charitable stuff.
Some charitas. Right on. Oof, BitBoy, 700,000. Dude, that guy's gonna hit 1 million in like a month.
Yeah, he's pumping.
People I've been seeing on Reddit, people can say what they want to say, and you guys know how I feel about YouTube creators in general for the most part, but 700 to almost 1 million subscribers, all the content he makes, like
TBT to a year ago when we just watched the BTC ticker for hours and never saw your face.
Scott, what's up, man? Oh, what's up, Raphael? Raphael, how you doing, bro? It's been a while. But dude, that man is a content machine, and anyone can say what they want about his content, but that is getting in front of new eyes. Like there's no way around it. There's no other solution.
He's starting new channels too. I mean, I love his ESPN, the ESPN graphics that he's doing, and he's about it, dude. He's putting in the work. Like he's all in.
He's all in, and man, that's like pushing. That's pushing for the crypto space in general. Like he's getting in front of a new audience. He's delivering it to new people. Like, you know, say what you want about him, but the man is putting in the work, and he's bringing people on board. Like, I think it's awesome. I mean, he's helped us. He's helped me out. He's helped you out. But at this, it's just like we need these. We need this attention being brought to crypto, and I think it's dope. I think it's awesome. I wish I could do the same. I'm trying.
Oh, sometimes it's you just gotta. It's okay to be under the radar, and you don't need. Like I always believe that everything I need is in my community. You know what I mean? Like I got what I need.
Yeah, fair. Same. Like I mean, I would like to be a little more over the radar, but I'm good where I am. Straight up, never thought I would get to this point. Like when I started, it was like, well, we'll just see what happens. I'm just gonna go out there, preach the good word. YOLO. So I feel blessed.
How long did it take you? So like today, my right when I was done streaming, my pool guy came and he was talking about, oh yeah, I was thinking about starting a YouTube channel, and he's
God.
like, how long did it take you to like start getting views? And I was like,
forever.
How long did it take me?
Forever, man.
I don't remember. I was like, I know it. Like if you gotta like find something and attach it to your title. Like for me, it was Profit Trailer. I feel like I hit 5K subs pretty fast.
Really? Screw you. Screw you. I think it took me about a year. I think like about a year to gain like real traction. Ish. Because we'll be coming up on 2 years here, June. I think about a year. I've had a lot of people come to me and, most of them actually have been about crypto, but a lot of them haven't. And they're like, yeah, can you give me some tips? And, like, what was your experience? And honestly, it's like, you're going to be putting on a show to an empty room, like to nobody for a long time. And that's how everybody starts. Like you just have to put in that work, I guess, to kind of nobody. And then eventually people catch on, like people there's certainly a niche of people who actively seek out small stream communities and like feel, they feel like extra connected, I guess, or whatever. But those people in the beginning, those are really your core. Like those are people who are going to stick with you for a long time. And it's a wild journey.
Preaching the good word now, that's what I'm talking about.
From
Amen.
what I know, I think me and you might be the last of the Mohicans to not give in to the certain thumbnails that,
Yep.
You have your mouth wide open,
The certain thumbnails. It's true though, man. Like how many others? I mean, I don't think Benjamin Cohen has given in. Massive props to that guy too. I like him.
I don't know who that is.
Really?
The name sounds familiar. Well, Cohen's a popular last name.
Yeah. He's a crypto dude. He's super like analytical, no FOMO FUD
Once
stuff.
you starting live streaming, you blew up fast. YouTube famous BTC King of Kings.
Oh yeah.
Protector of the crypto realm.
He's good. Is he good?
Yeah, no, the dude is on point. I'll shout him out for sure. He we talked about him coming on the show at some point, but I think he's traveling or something. I forget what he said. Trying to put that together.
So I'm buying a silver membership to Social Blade just so I can see the chart that I need to see of the analytics graph since day one.
They just got you. They just hooked you in.
Yeah, dude.
I've
been scanning through my YouTube back office everywhere. I can't find it, but I think this is what I need.
I've considered it. Have you ever looked at what is it? TubeBuddy.
No, that sounds
It sounds good.
Ding.
It sounds real cool. No, at TubeBuddy, I was thinking about getting a membership, but it's like another YouTube tool that's pretty decent. I think it might be more for kind of the evergreen content, like videos, like your market site for videos or something like the.
It's not like a view booster
No.
BS, is it?
Yeah, if I've learned one thing about YouTube, it's that the only thing you never want to do is like fake views, fake whatever, because it just ends up biting you. Like I'm in a bunch of like different YouTube creator groups, and YouTube's algorithm, man, they are hawks. It's like they'll notice that it's like you're getting these subscribers, but they don't watch your videos.
I can't wait till they do another purge because on the last purge, boy, there was a lot. And some of these YouTubers, I consider friends, but oh man, I don't know where they just disappeared. No, these subscribers just disappeared. I'm like, dude, I lost like 20 subscribers. All these other people lost thousands because they were paying for them, man. And they are all playing it off. I remember there was like a live stream where there was like 6 crypto YouTubers like collabing together, and they were all just backing each other up on it. Yeah, man. Yeah, that was crazy. Man.
Whoa!
I don't know what happened.
Whoa! Half our budget is buying subscribers. All of a sudden, we've lost. Yeah, dude. I feel that. There's no shortcuts in life. I think that's really the bottom line. It's like nothing that's a shortcut, and I think that even applies to trading and investing. Is if you look for shortcuts, you might find a shorter path, but that shorter path isn't going to bring you to the same place. I thought the purge was actually starting again. What, like 2 weeks ago? Remember? I'm sure you remember. I don't even know why I'm asking you. When MM Crypto got all of a sudden terminated and all kinds, man. I had 2019 flashbacks.
Did they get their Twitters?
I'm sure they did. Does anything really stick to them? They'll lose half their subscribers.
I'm like, oh
and they're
no,
fine.
God forbid their channel's gonna be down for an hour.
Yeah, they lost $10 million. They're suing for that. Oh, dude. I was like paranoid. I didn't really stream for a few days because, dude, 2019 flashbacks. I don't know if you remember that, but man, was that brutal. In 2019, YouTube was going hard after crypto. I don't know. I really don't think it's intentional, though. I don't think.
I think I remember. Was it 2019? Like mid 2019?
It was like May 2019, maybe. That was a battle.
I remember they almost like came out and said that they were coming after us.
Almost. If they ever say it, then that's the big news, though. That looks good. People are holding. Yeah, dude, I don't know. I just don't feel it. I don't feel like I remember 2017, 2018, or 2017 ending. And like we hit 20K and people just didn't believe it. Like nobody was bearish. Like, nah, man, it's dipping and we're all buying. And now like it's gone down a little bit and people are super bearish. It doesn't feel like a top to me.
Just got a message from my best friend. I told you not to buy last year. You put all your money into it. Now it's crashing.
Dude, you're screwed.
Last year, that was my buy at 5K.
Was he joking? Is that
no,
a joke?
No, he's being serious. This guy's a strong advocate against crypto.
Oh my god.
Still 10x my fucking money.
Bro,
what are you talking about?
It's crashed and you're only up 10x. It's the end of days.
Get out while you can.
Yeah, it's too late. You can't even get out now because it's already crashed, bruh. Oh man, if there's ever a counter trade indicator, it's just random ass people in your life. Dude, people used to think I was nuts. It's weird. Crypto face. Do you have that same experience? I don't know if everyone does, but like there was a time in my crypto career where my friends and my family, just like anybody close to me, was like, "Man, we're kind of worried about you." Like almost intervention status. Like we're worried. You're being a little crazy. just about
Crypto?
having your money in crypto. And it doesn't even matter how much you have. Like, even if you only had a little bit, they're like, we're worried this is going to bankrupt you or so, like some
You sound
craziness.
like you grew up with a very nice family.
Well, they care about me, you know. They
Yeah.
love me.
No, my I never. No, they
Nah.
never had that issue.
I did, man. I had it hard. People like honestly were like starting to do an intervention for me. They're like, you're too into this. Like I was working a 9 to 5 at the time, and like my boss like brought me in and he's like, hey man, you've been talking about this Bitcoins a little too much. And I was like, I don't know, dude. I'm just excited and I love it. And he's like, yeah, well, we're worried. And I was like, okay, all right, cool. Like, I don't know what you're expecting from me here. I will say this. Now those same people are calling me up being like, man, you must be so excited. You must be so happy. And it's like, yeah, I don't know,
Is your
man.
boss
Like,
still working that 9 to 5?
oh, I don't know. I'm sure he is.
Should I buy right now? Okay.
Yeah, and
so
then he's
got
like, should I
the
buy?
answer. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut
You got the
off.
answer? Nah, go for it, bro.
Okay, so channel started February 2018. I hit 5K subs at April 13th. So February, March, January, February, March, April.
That's
So that's like 3
1K a
months.
month, right?
Yeah.
Dude, I maybe they throttle everyone at 1K a month because I swear that was like my average forever.
And I hit a couple nasty plateaus, dude. The 20,000, 25,000 was so rough, dude.
Really?
Oh man, I could not get out of that one. That was tough.
You know what? That was right at 24,000. I'll never forget. At 24,000 was when I went on BitBoy. Like, I don't know how long ago that was. Not at this point, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But that was like perfect timing then. I like blasted that resistance. Because I was on there and I think we got 2K subs overnight, just like that. Actually, being on your dude, just my voice on your channel, we gained 1,000 in like an hour. Actually,
yeah,
that's kind of weird to me. I feel like we gained more in a shorter period when I was on your channel than BitBoys. Not gonna say anything else.
Let's see. Let's actually take a look at your stats here and see.
I'm looking at my stats.
When did we have you on the channel so we can see how much old crypto face got you?
Oh, dude, you hooked me up though. I didn't even think about it. Like I was on just chatting with you, just having fun, and I got off and someone messaged me like, "Yo, bro, you got 1,000 subs," and I was like, "What are you talking about?" Then I looked and I was like, "Oh, you're right. Dang."
All right, that's all right. That's okay for like a little,
little bump,
little extra wow.
Little bumperoo. Yeah, it worked out. Yeah, I have my. I'll pull this up in a little snippet.
Is it on the 19th when you got plus 700 here on Social Blade?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that well so I was on BitBoy like at the beginning of March. Dude, what's going on with time? This month, how is this month? How are we not done with March? I feel like it's been years.
Yeah, it's like it's going fast but slow.
Yep.
Like I thought it was. I look at my milk jug and it's like expires April 22nd, and I was worried. I was like, "Oh fuck, is it expired?"
I was worried about my milk jug. So there it is, like the 5th. That was BitBoy. I'm pulling it up on the stream. You won't be able to see it, crypto face.
Okay,
but
I'm looking. I see it.
Take a bit. So this on the 5th, I think, was on BitBoy, and then like the 18th, maybe we got a little pump from the crypto face as well. Okay. Yeah, I mean that's pretty good. Damn. That's not bad, dude. You can see like he had 600 something. You had like 95. So I mean, maybe that just means your viewers are better. I don't know.
I got, dude. My community's fucking awesome, dude.
They
like
are.
They got my back, man, for sure. They're good people, and they know good people too, man. So I'm not surprised that a good amount of them stuck to you.
Makes sense.
You know
I mean, I think that's why the synergy there is like we have really good people You have really good people. I mean, respect it, acknowledges respect. It knows.
Yeah.
It knows.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's for
Bit
true.
Boys people suck.
Oh yeah.
Just kidding. Just kidding. That's like 9% of my people now.
Dip. Yeah, that's all of both of our people. So let's not
Just kidding.
reel it
Just
back.
kidding.
Reel it back. No, I'm just kidding.
Nah, dude. I'm telling you, you know what, dude? I feel like we gotta be a fresh breath of air, man. Because, dude, it's hard to watch YouTubers. It's hard to watch crypto YouTubers, man. I don't know how these people do it, bro.
I don't either.
I don't know how these people do it.
I don't know if I'd watch my own stream. Sorry, everybody. I love you guys. You keep watching. But I don't know. It's a lot. It's a lot, and it's like there's a lot of boring times, and I don't know. Respect everybody out there watching. Like that's real. Recognize real, says Fett. Right on.
Yeah.
It's for sure. Josh says I need a pencil neck tattoo. Josh, screw you, buddy. I love you.
Dude, my people getting tattoos. What community do you know got like 10 guys just get tattoos out of nowhere?
Yeah,
Shit's
none.
crazy,
None. Bro. Yeah, I saw your thing on Twitter where you're like, please, guys, like, please stop getting tattoos. Stop it. It was cool, but now, like, please.
Man.
I think I retweeted that. I was like, right on, man. Like, please stop. I will say this, guys. I don't have any tattoos. Zero. Over 30 years old, no tattoos. Bitcoin at 100K, I'm getting my first one. I'll do it live. I will live stream it, and I will.
Do you have a logo?
Cry.
Do you have like a? You have like a Tom Cruise logo, don't you?
Yeah. I got a logo.
Isn't like a T and a C or T?
Here, I'll grab it.
Let's see it. Smooth jazz.
Smooth jazz radio. Grand Theft Auto. Something. Why can't I open this?
105.5.
Yeah, just anybody out there who runs a radio station. Won't you come on? The Coyote. 92.7, The Coyote. We're starting a radio station, bro. You and me.
Oh my gosh. Or a strip club.
Or both. A radio station strip club.
Oh my gosh, a strip club that plays jazz. Ooh.
I love how you think I love jazz, dude. I'm just an EDM guy. You know what? I'll mess with some jazz, even though I never actually listened to it.
There's good music of all music and terrible of all.
That is very true. I lived in Florida for 2 years, and I can't deny it, man. I got a little bit on the country train while I was there.
Oh yeah, dude.
Good music is good music. It doesn't matter if it's country. It doesn't matter if it's whatever. So this is the logo. Our fam knows the logo. Pull it up on stream. Then I'll send it in our little chat here. Yeah, we got a nice little logo. You know. A little anonymous, a little Bitcoin. A little bit of everything. I dig it. I should put this up as an NFT.
Yeah.
I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting these bad boys, my originals, as an NFT. I don't know how that works, but maybe like one copy. It's like my original shades. I don't know. I'll probably never accept the bids though, because it costs like $100 to accept any bid on an NFT. That's why I've never.
Do you have a logo? So if I was a graphic designer for you, I would have like a super abstract like head drawn of you, but the glasses, bro. I would have the shades, bro. I'm feeling when I see a Tom Crown logo, I'm seeing the shades, bro.
That's fair. You're probably not alone. There's been some artistic renditions of the logo. You know, that's just like the starting point. You will branch out from there.
Yeah.
I love that logo though. I think it's freaking awesome.
Your intro's pretty sick too.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Guy who made it, Nicola. I can't remember exactly how to pronounce it. If you're out there, man, come back to me. I don't know where you went.
The guy that's making me the sword, his name is Nicola.
A sword? Something. Is it the same guy? Wait, he's making you a sword?
Yeah.
What? How do I find someone to make me a sword? Because I need a sword.
Bro, I guarantee if you ask on your like live stream, they will you got some metallurgy, dude. So they'll make you one.
Blacksmith. Just gonna.
Yup.
Dude, I need a sword. I'm sitting out here like a chump with no sword. Like, what if I'm attacked?
Yeah, dude, for real.
Screwed.
And so he's making me like a Euro bastard sword, like a soldier,
A soldier.
short sword or
Dude,
some shit.
You
and
need a sword.
Yeah, dude. Then I'm going for the katana next. I need a samurai sword as well.
Mm-hmm. I want a big knife too, like a oversized.
Oh yeah.
Either oversized knife or an oversized sword, like from Final Fantasy VII, like Buster.
Yeah. Oh, Buster.
You know what I mean?
Sword.
Like ridiculous. You can't even use it as a weapon, but you don't need to because nobody's nobody's coming at you with that sword, man. Like period.
Yep.
They're done.
Hell
that
yeah.
defeats them. They see it and they run.
Wing it over your shoulder. Shabam!
Yeah, you don't take it off your shoulder. You just have it resting there. And maybe you get into like threatening poses every once in a while, but that ends the conflict. Done.
Threatening poses.
Yeah, dude. Just like put your hand out and look like kind of like Dragon Ball Z-ish, and people are like, well, I'm not messing with that, dude. I'm out. Done. I got your back.
There's a lot of knife guys.
Yeah, we have actual blacksmiths. You guys are way cooler than I'll ever
be. Dude, these people like all over the world, woodsmen, metallurgies, like, bro, I guarantee I have like 100 people that are like, yo, let me make you knives. Let me
make you swords.
Make you a knife. I guarantee you got people that'll make you knives.
Yo, Face, how did we get into how did we get here, dude? This is like my dream. We got like a bunch of blacksmiths watching us who are like, I will get you a samurai sword right now. I will craft it. Because
they're real, man. I'm telling you, that's because they're real ass dudes. And I'm not just limiting it to men. There's real ass women out there too,
and
for
lady
sure.
smiths, yes.
Yeah, bro. And you know what? Like, it's hard to find non-beta people that fly by their principles. You know what I'm saying? And so
that's true though.
Principal people, alphas need their internet too, man. And so like just like we do, when I find someone that's a good YouTuber that's not annoying prick about whatever it is, whether it's why you beef, a bushcrafting YouTube channel,
bushcraft
unboxing channel.
Dude, I'd love it. Let's find those dudes who make those like houses out of like the ground, and we're gonna go live in one.
Yeah, there's good ones and bad ones, dude. There's the mud butts where the kids they use too much damn mud, and then there's the good old boys where they actually build cabins out of wood instead of patching up with too much damn mud.
Too much mud. Yeah, those videos are impressive though. Where they like dig out of the ground those houses. I think I'm like dating myself here because those are like 4-month-old, but I'll never forget when that popped up and I was like, this looks dumb. And I was like, I'll watch it for a minute. And then I was like, oh my God, how do you have this dope house made? You just were digging in the mud. Now you have this like swimming pool.
Yeah.
How did you do it? And like, you know exactly how they did it. It's a stupid question to even ask because you watch them, but mind blown. I don't have those skills. Sorry guys. If you're here for those skills, I don't got them. Can't be building houses. That's for you guys.
They put the time in. Like, as much as we sit here on our ass and stare at the charts all day, like, they're out there bushcrafting, dude. Isn't that crazy?
I love it. I wish I had skills. I don't have any real skills. I just, like, chart and stream. That's probably it.
What? Come on, man.
I don't know. What can you do? I did play the saxophone, but that was 20 years ago. I don't know how to play it anymore. What skills do you have? What are you doing outside? What are you doing?
Dude, I can anything like I was gonna say like anything I want to do or like to do, I can be good at, but there's a couple things I'm not good at. Basketball, I suck at shooting basketballs anywhere besides the baseline 3. For some reason, baseline 3, I just drop it, bro. I fucking drop it.
Right.
But everywhere else, I suck. I can't lay up for shit. I can't shoot. Can't play basketball for shit.
Dude, I got lucky. In college. I had a roommate. Shout out to Jim, wherever you are, who was like, so we're both skinny white dudes, and Jim was a skinny, taller white dude, but the man could play. And we would go to like the gym, and me and him would play 2-on-2, and I would do nothing except dish it to him, and he would just lay it down, like dunk it, threes, just anything. It made me look really cool. And shout out to Jim. You made me feel really cool in college. Thank you, brother. He certainly isn't watching this, but
I could never dribble a ball between my damn legs, bro. And
Nope.
I have tried so many times.
Nope.
Could never do it.
I couldn't make it look cool. I could like kind of do it, but it just wouldn't. It's like you might as well have kept it in front of me, like it.
You're all wobbling side to side.
Oh yeah.
It's hard to explain the visual, but I know what you're talking
about.
about.
Oh, dude, whatever you're imagining, that's exactly what happened. I could pass it though. I was good at passing. So he was good at all the other stuff, and then we won most of the games we played. Made me feel really cool.
What else am I shitty at? What else? Let's
art. I'll just throw in art. No, I'm not good at art.
What kind of art, bro?
Anything, dude. Colors, design. I'm terrible at it.
Really? I love art, dude. I'm great at drawing portraits. I used to in high school a year ago. I drew portraits for an old boss of mine I used to work for at drew his daughter and shit.
Draw me like your French girls, Crypto. So Titanic style.
Yeah, I'd always tell me, like, I've tried to do that, but I just don't have to pay. I just end up banging a chick, and I want to play video games.
And you're done. Maybe that's it. It's like I just get distracted. I'm like, meh.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
That's right, Lady Plantslot. I got that. I'm so happy about this haircut. Man, I look like a homeless person for the last 2 months. You know what? Screw that. Like the last year, I look like a homeless person. It's had shaggedy hair. I got this sick cut. Now I'm feeling great. Back at the gym. Life is trending up. We are in the bull run of life. Shout out to Ja. Quoted Ja. Our brother Ja quoted that we're in the bull run of life. I like that. Made me feel good. I think we lost Gavin. I don't know where he went.
Sorry, man. I'm just, that house that I was talking to you about yesterday?
Oh, yeah. Gavin just closed a nasty trade.
Someone offered an outrageous amount for the house I live in, too.
It was already an outrageous amount. What
no, that was for the house that I just bought, the one that I'm trying to build. Someone just offered 125% what I bought this for a year and a half ago.
Gavin making the nasty real estate trades on the side.
These are crazy gains, man.
Yeah, they're crypto gains. Sell it for
probably
Bitcoin.
Out of town with no inspection too, huh?
Sorry?
I said they're probably from out of town with no inspection, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yep.
All cash. Okay. Yeah, congrats, dude. Congrats on that. You told me that yesterday, and I did a slow clap for you. Right on, man. Well done. Well done.
I can't imagine paying that much money for a house.
You were just trying to talk me into buying a house a week ago.
Yeah, now I'm gonna be homeless, man. I'm selling both of these. I'm gonna have to move into a basement. I'm not declining this offer, and they don't want any subjects, so whatever.
I'd take it. I gotta stand up for 2 seconds. You guys are welcome. Welcome to chat. If not, yeah, it's all good. But I'll be back in 30 seconds. I gotta piss. Watch a Bitcoin.
All right.
It's gonna go up.
Look, see here. So, you guys, you and Tom friends, or brothers?
Not really brothers, but we're brothers. Just good friends.
Word. Do you mod for his channel and?
Every now and then. I kind of just got mod when I came around. I don't really do much. Just here to help out, have a good time.
Nice.
Watched your channel a little bit.
Oh, stop it. Do you?
I did. I donated yesterday.
What?
Talking to you about that charity.
Nice, man. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, bro. We've been donating a lot.
It's good stuff, dude. Help out where help is needed, right?
Yes, sir. You can't really get much better than like saving the, helping kids with cancer. You know what I'm saying? And wounded soldiers. It helps like defend when people are like, I have another charity, I'm like, you know what, dude, like, no matter what charity you kind of come at me with, like, I'm set with like the kids with cancer. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Can't really top it.
There's a lot going on in the world, man. We're in a pretty blessed community. This whole crypto space is. Just 1 second, I'm getting a phone call.
Well, I guess I got the floor of old Tom Cruise crown. Yeah, boy, I think I started watching Tom Cruise crown. I think a couple months ago.
Tom Cruise crown.
Tom Cruise crown.
The Cruise crown. Crypto face has the floor. Dig it. Yeah, this is like my favorite stream. This is way better than stream by yourself.
Yeah, it helps, huh, when you have other people on sometimes.
This is the first time. This is a first. I don't think I've ever had anyone else's voice on this channel.
Tom Cruise crown.
I like it. I like it. I did not poop. All right, you guys know when I poop. I'm gone for like half an hour. Forever. You just shut up, Richard.
Didn't even set up the fake Tom crown.
Oh yeah, my ninjutsu clone.
That was my first stream ever. I joined. Remember? It was like 10 minutes before you were gonna leave after that 6-hour stream and phone yourself and just replay the whole stream.
Oh yeah, that was a classic stream. People are like, this isn't live. This isn't live. What are you doing? Like, no, it's not, it's not live. It says it's not live. Didn't get it.
Do you have got any groupies yet, bro?
Groupies? What kind? I mean, you got plenty.
Bro, come on. You should have a couple.
Well, it is what it is.
Bro, with them guns out plus the sunglasses. Bro, that's why I started with the mask. I wore the mask because I'm like, well, if some fucking magic miracle day I actually turn into something, chicks dig it.
Yeah, fair. I mean, the shades, they keep you a little incognito.
Yeah, bro, I'm telling you, that's the key.
Yeah,
that's the key.
You just take them off, and people don't know who you are. It's perfect.
Tom Cruise Crown.
It's growing on me. I like that name. Cruise Crown. It rhymes.
The more he says it, the more it's going to grow.
I know.
Crown.
Bitcoin has done nothing since we started streaming. Just nothing. It's waiting.
Yep.
It's waiting till we're done. That's fair.
Take a look at my fucking charts here.
Just nothing. Hasn't moved.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of, it's doing exactly what I thought it was going to do.
Yeah, exactly as predicted.
Oh, come on, man. Come on.
Exactly as predicted. Yeah, I mean, it could be worse. It could be worse. It's already.
Yeah, you ever make a video?
Yesterday in golfing. All right.
You ever make a video where you admit you don't know what's going on right now for a time period, but you will at another time, and people give you shit about
every day. I don't know what's happening now, but I know what's happening tomorrow. We have to wait for the close. I mean, that's how TA is, though. It's like there's many times where you don't know. It's just a knife in either direction.
But everyone expects you to
Charlie. Yo, see if Charlie Lee's around, bro. See if Charlie Lee wants to hop on.
Yo, Charlie Lee, hop on. I haven't talked to him since our interview. I should probably send him a message.
Yeah, hit him up, man. Just say hey, man, how you been?
How you doing? How you been? He'd be like, why are you messaging me? I don't remember who you are.
No. No, he will. He seems like the type of guy that would remember that type of thing. If he's
I think so too, actually. Probably. I should message him. Send a message, see what he's doing. Maybe a follow-up.
You should
Follow-up.
put that little sticky note for the interview from the intern that the guy remembers 20 years later.
Yeah.
He says, "You gave me that sticky note. You're hired.
You're in." That's still one of the best performing videos to this day that I've ever made.
Oh yeah.
This day. It gets like
Well,
regular
what was your
views.
You had to have a sub boost on that Charlie Lee. Everyone's on Michael Saylor's dick. Fucking Charlie Lee was the original.
I'll have to get Michael Saylor on. I don't know. Actually, I don't think, because I released it and like recorded it back when there was very little hype.
He's been played out, bro. He's saturated, dude. He ain't got nothing new to say. He already bought. We're already at the top. Okay, like.
Oh, he hasn't said he's sold yet, right?
He says he's never selling, but I'm just saying that you want to get that train has left, bro. It's time to get on the next thing. You know what I'm saying? Tom Cruise,
the Tom Cruise crown thing. Oh wow, that interview got 10,000 views already. That's pretty good for when it was released. That's pretty good. It gets like 20 a day, and it's been months. Bad. I'll take it.
So I'm pretty sure ever since everyone did the stupid eye red thing, that was the day. That was the top. When everyone did the red eye, that they all got the pink eye.
The pink eye.
Pink eye was the top of Bitcoin, bro.
The laser eyes? What?
Yeah, everyone acting like we were at 100K, at 60K.
I mean, that's pretty
and
much
that was the
same.
day that was the top. Shit turned around that day.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, I like my laser eyes.
Definitely.
I mean, laser eyes are just cool.
I wasn't giving you shit for yours. That's not. I know. Aren't yours blue?
Yeah, so it's totally different.
Yeah,
it's totally different. And by the way, like if you have blue laser eyes, it's not 100K you're looking for. It's 300. You can't undo them until 300. But even then, it's encouraged not to. You're supposed to keep them. I like the laser eyes thing. It's just stupid enough for me. It's like, why? There's no reason. I like it. I dig it.
It's okay. Wow, dude, April Fools is April Fools on the 1st?
Always.
Or it's on the first day of April?
Yep, and it's a magical time. It's the 1st. It's a magical time for Bitcoin, dude. It loves April Fool's Day. You know why? Because there's no day that people are less likely to believe whatever they read. I really think that's why. It's just because people are like very willing to dismiss information on the 1st of April. Historically, great day for Bitcoin.
The crypto news cycle has been absolutely garbage, which it kind of always sort of was. But dude, I lightly scanned some of the shitter like Cointelegraph type websites, and wow, talk about
so
terrible.
Yelp.
Terrible.
Yeah, it really is though. I don't know why people even read the news. Like it's the majority garbage. Like there's very few good pieces. I mean, like that the Tesla stuff, that to me that's big news. That's big news. The fact that Elon said, Tesla's running their own nodes, which is massive, and then not converting
what was
their Bitcoin
that tweet,
to fiat.
Bro? What did he say in that tweet? I never saw the tweet. So what did he say in that tweet?
I'll pull it up. I retweeted him. Tom Cruise Crown. Sorry.
That's a good one, man. I can't stop. I'm trying to perfect the beginning. Tom Cruise Crown.
So Elon said you can now buy a Tesla with Bitcoin. That was pretty big. But then his follow-ups were better. Tesla is using only internal and open source software, operates Bitcoin nodes directly. Bitcoin paid to Tesla will be retained as Bitcoin not converted to fiat.
Wow.
That's pretty big news.
That might give me an excuse to buy Tesla just because Bitcoin's going to take a shit, and then I'm going to get away with the robbery on the Tesla.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm going to sell that Tesla and make a profit. 'cause
Then
I
sell
sure
that
love
Tesla back into Bitcoin. Somehow. I don't know.
Yeah.
Something. Sounds
Yeah, I'll sell it back to them for more Bitcoin.
Return it. Just return it to
Yeah,
Tesla. for
literally
more Bitcoin.
shorting Bitcoin with the Tesla.
The Tesla short. Crypto face.
So what I found crazy is on their website, if you actually go to order, if you pay in crypto, you can't get refunded in crypto.
Of course not. Of course not. You can't really ever get refunded in crypto. Let's shop. Model S? Sure. Order now. Pay in Bitcoin. Silver. Gavin, what color is your Tesla? Silver?
It's white. I got the pearl white before they removed it.
Oh, nice, dude. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to talk shit about Teslas and sound like a dick. I'm sorry.
You did. You did. All right, we love Teslas here.
I'm not a fanboy. I just like the cars.
I'm a fanboy. I love the cars. Tesla is my Lambo. I've been saying that forever.
I was going to say, I'd rather have a Tesla over Lamborghini.
Oh, absolutely. I don't like any of these colors, though.
Boy, those are awesome rims right there.
Some rims. I guess black or midnight silver metallic.
Their black color scratches so easily. That's one thing about Tesla. They are dog shit at paint. Sorry, swearing.
How do they do their paint? You know?
I mean, it's 2 coats of some shitty. Oh my god! I swear again, cheap paint.
You can play The Witcher.
I can't say it's bad, but I had to get ceramic coating on mine, and it looks nasty. Like you'll get scratches so easily.
Just 2 Bitcoin.
Yeah,
Just
The autopilot though. Sorry.
I didn't do the ceramic thing. I got the new like spider silk wrap. It's like extra thin,
sensual,
self-healing.
Pay with Bitcoin.
What color is your car?
Red.
Nice.
And then my other one's black. I gotta put that puppy in storage soon. It'll be that time.
There we go. No, maximum of 8 number. There we go. Due today, 0019 Bitcoin. No, I don't want to save this crap I just made up. This is all I have to pay him for a whole Tesla. Anybody want to buy my Tesla? Go ahead, hit that.
How much is it in Bitcoin?
No, it's just $100 like non-refundable due today.
This is a nice Tesla right now in Bitcoin.
It's about 2.
Wow.
A little bit less than 2. Purchase price $95.9.
Like
I'll lose 2 Bitcoin on a trade in fucking heartbeat.
But I won't buy a Tesla. I am so tempted looking at that. It's like I could just buy it. No.
Did their Roadster ever come out? That's been waiting to come out for 20 years.
Nope.
No.
Really? It still hasn't come out?
No. They gave me my deposit back because I asked them.
What's taking so long?
He just said they're not focused on it.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, because it's not going to be their most selling. They want to focus on sustainable cars first.
Isn't it sustainable?
Isn't it sustainable?
It's electric.
It's electric.
Environmentally sustainable. It's not their finance. Like their finances won't be sustainable from it.
Wow, that car, everyone's been waiting for that car for so long.
And he had like a couple thousand people lock in $300,000 for their Founders Edition, and here we are 3 years later still waiting for it.
Wow.
Oof. I'm locked in at $99 for Starlink. I'm locked in. Still waiting. Maybe that's how they make all their money.
I was gonna get it, but they do. That funds a lot of their production.
And I'm happy.
Especially early on.
I'm happy with it. They can keep it. I don't even care.
The reason they do that also, though, is otherwise bots would just spam their site.
Yeah. Yeah, and reserve everything. The same way with the sexy shorts.
Yeah.
I still want
Machine 13, big dog.
And those flamethrowers are sick, though.
I think they might be a good investment because, like, 20 years from now, someone's gonna buy that flame. Like, they're gonna want it.
People bought them over on because you couldn't get them once the first night. I have one, but I saw some selling for like a couple thousand over.
Nope. It's like the new GPU thing. Instead of the GPUs, people are buying the Tesla.
Man, people are overpricing the crap out of those.
I believe it. Well, they were $70 just like day one for a pair of like 5 inches of fabric. Like they did not look like well-made shorts. I want them.
Just anything that Elon tweets.
Yep, I'll buy it. Doesn't matter what it is.
Can't believe. So did they say like they're giving up on it? Like it's trashed basically for now?
No, they said. I mean, it'll come out after the Cybertruck, which is scheduled for
That's going to be forever, dude. They have to like completely resize the damn thing. That's going to take forever. They have to totally redesign that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh. Oh well. I didn't order one. I'm just waiting on that Starlink. Dude, my internet like choices are terrible here. Terrible. Awful.
Starlink's not. I was gonna get it, but it's not that great.
Well,
like you probably get better speeds. What internet speeds do you get?
I don't get better speeds. I get 10
Honestly,
upload.
Dude, if you can't get fiber, all the ISPs just suck now.
Yep.
It's such shit.
Especially for streaming, man. Like especially for I get 10 Mbps or whatever upload, which is like just barely enough if nothing else is happening.
Starlink, they're estimating like 150 download and I think 35 upload.
That's why I signed up. Because I can't get over 10 upload here. Period. Doesn't matter what I do.
Is it satellite?
Yep. Yeah, so it should be. I mean, it is satellite. It's like constellation satellite. Who knows? Honestly, Elon's name's on it. I'll buy it. Screw it. Probably gonna be better than what I have. Freaking coaxial cable. That's right. Coaxial. I hate my internet. It's so bad. It's like it doesn't matter how much money I even throw at it. It just can't.
Nope.
It just doesn't improve. If I throw money at it, I get more download. I don't get any more upload. And so I don't need upload. I have like 300. I never max it out. It's a crime. Straight up.
It really is.
It is.
They're barely above like shitty car insurance companies.
Seriously though, and it's like you don't have a choice either. It's not just that their product sucks. It's like product sucks, and you just don't have any other option. So you're
lucky if you have two, and they both
crap.
have the tentacles of government socialist injections,
government
bailouts.
Yeah, the government bailouts. Yep, exactly. We have people in our community that live in the middle of nowhere who have fiber. I live in like a dense city and I no access.
What the hell
fiber.
is that? And why hasn't that been pushing out?
Crap. I don't know. It's mind blowing it's 2021 and I can't get fiber in like a 100,000 person city or something. Like what?
But we can do 5G. They aim their guns at 5G instead.
All the G's. I don't even know if we have 5G, to be honest. I imagine that
they say we do. They
say we do.
Like,
and my phone says that I'm supposed to, but
I
don't believe it for a heartbeat.
You have 5G. I'm like, well, I don't see these beams microwaving us. Like, where are they?
Where are the beams? Where are these beams at? Oh, man. Oh, wow. It's getting a little late here. Late.
You going to be watching fight this weekend, UFC?
I haven't watched a fight in forever. Maybe it's time.
Okay. Yeah, I think, dude, be a great time this weekend. Good fight.
How
Great
does YouTube
heavyweight
feel about uploading? pay-per-view content. Probably not very good. Probably not like. No watch party here. I think the UFC would have some words.
Crown.
Cruise crown. Around.
Do you remember Welcome to ZomboCon? You can do anything at Zombo.
Anything?
Anything at all. You don't remember that, bro?
No, what are you talking about?
Dude, okay. Everyone,
no idea.
Go to zombo.com. ZOMBO.com and turn your speakers up.
Well, they don't even need to. Let's put it on for them.
Okay. Yep.
Zombo.
Make sure the stream can hear it.
Zombo. I like the colors here.
Yep.
I wonder, am I on the wrong page?
Nope, that's right.
Welcome to ZomboCon.
ZomboCon.
This is ZomboCon. Welcome. This is ZomboCon.
Is this the whole site?
Welcome to ZomboCon.
Yes.
I love it.
You can do anything at ZomboCon. Anything at all.
You can do anything at all.
The only limit is yourself. Welcome to ZomboCon.
This is my favorite part. You can do anything at ZomboCon.
ZomboCon.
Anything at all.
This is ZomboCon.
Alright, well, I think we found...
Welcome to ZomboCon.
It's making me excited.
This is ZomboCon.
This is ZomboCon. Welcome.
Yeah, dude.
This
I can't
is
ZomboCon, dude.
This is ZomboCon. And welcome to you who have come to ZomboCon.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Anything
Wow.
is
We got a
possible
6 hour.
at
We got a
ZomboCon.
green dot on the 6 hour. Wow.
Anything is possible at
I don't see it.
ZomboCon. I don't know what that site is, man, but I'm ready.
It's
Right.
on the Coinbase, BTC USD 6 hour, on
Coinbase.
Heiken-Ashi and Standard. It's not confirmed yet, but damn.
Oh, we
if
got
that
the
does
dot.
confirm now, we got faked out last time.
We
Didn't
got the
confirm last
dot.
time, but dude, if this does,
We got the dot. You know what's interesting is on the hawk candles, it's the first dot on the 6 hour, but on the regular candles, it's the second dot.
yeah, that's why, because Heiken-Ashis are harder to confirm, a little more
Yep.
foundation. That's why we rely on the Heiken-Ashi. But it still, it still works for normal candles too. You know, there was a good, what was that move? It went up a good 5-6%
That's
in the last one.
interesting. So on normal candles, though, this is a higher low on the momentum. But on Heiken-Ashi, it's a lower low with the dot. Interesting.
Uh,
Hmm.
what chart are you looking at? BTC USD what?
Yeah, and Coinbase.
What exchange? Coinbase?
Yeah, as always.
Okay, so hang on.
I love
so you
the
said
subtle
with,
differences.
oh wow, damn, bro.
Mm.
Well, technically no, because the green. You see where the actual waves kind of fuck. Yeah. So the waves actually cross. It's still. It's a lower low as far as the actual crossings, but the white part of the wave, you're right.
That's
That's
spicy.
interesting.
Yeah, that's
I've never seen that
different.
before.
I love
You
the
could do
nuances.
anything.
Anything at ZomboCon. You, the person entering ZomboCon, can do anything. Dude, that is, I've never seen that. It's maybe one of my favorite sites I've ever looked at.
Gross.
ZomboCon. Anything. It got me very into it. Like, I'm into
I'm
it.
telling you, you got a little rejuice. You were thinking about quitting there for a
Yeah,
second.
I just got a
bro.
little
It's like,
energy
this
back
kid's
from the
getting lit up.
ZomboCon. Well, I've never felt so free to do anything as I did at ZomboCon.
Telling you, dude. I'm telling you, I feel the urge. You're trying to hold it back too. You're trying to suppress it. You know what I'm saying?
I'm trying. It's not working.
You would have let loose, man.
I just want to go to ZomboCon. Do anything. That site. What? I loved how it didn't go anywhere. It was like, that was it. But you're allowed
Yeah,
to
that's
do
it. No matter how long you
anything.
stay.
Anything. At ZomboCon.
I can't believe it's still there too, dude. It's that's been there forever.
ZomboCon. Well, I mean, probably pull some decent traffic. I don't know what else. ZomboCom.
Welcome to ZomboCom.
Welcome.
This is ZomboCom.
Jeez.
Welcome. This
Dude,
is
I'm really
ZomboCom.
thinking this chart's gonna play out
to
how I drew it, dude.
Again, what? I had
It's gonna, like-
ZomboCom up again. It was really loud. ZomboCom.
You could do anything at Zombo.
That's what I hear. I hear you can do
You
anything.
can do anything at ZomboCom.
Flags. No, you didn't, brother.
Anything at all. The only limit is yourself. Welcome.
Cryptoface. Did you make this site? It sounds like you.
I wish,
It
dude.
it
I
sounds like
wish.
you, bro. ZomboCom.
Dude, I can do some good impersonations when you know. You can do
Welcome.
anything at Zombo.
This is ZomboCom. Welcome.
Anything at all.
Anything.
Only you. God, what did he say? He says, only you. Fuck, he says something like that.
And you will come
I
to
know he says like
ZomboCom.
Zombo.com is in you or something.
ZomboCom is in you. And you can do anything. Dude, I love it. I love it. Yeah, the 6 hour though. Did get back to the TA. The 6 hour has been the spiciest over the last like few days even.
This is like a pleasant surprise from Zombo.com, dude. I didn't know there was any chance of green dots and shit coming
Yeah,
out of nowhere.
Zombo.com
Out of
brought
nowhere.
it.
This shit.
I think we should just leave the ZomboCom on like for 24 hours. Let's leave the stream on.
There might be an 8-hour green dot too. What the fuck happens on 8-hour green dots? Okay. The last one was a bottom. Came back and touched it, but that was the bottom. Damn, we have. Before that, it was May.
Keep pumping Bitcoin. Here's your ZomboCom.
Let's see here.
Oh, 8 hour. Ooh, little 8 hour dot on the normies. The normies candles.
The smallest 8-hour move has been 8% to the upside in the past year.
The Hashi. It's getting there. Last seen on the 22nd of January. The similarities of January and right now are creepy. Creepy similarities.
Everyone's getting bearish.
Good. Keep getting bearish, everyone.
Time to get bullish.
Well, let's take a look at these dots, you know? We only have 2 of them in the last few months. Now we're coming up on the next one. December 11th, January 23rd. I don't know, man. I don't know. Anything at Zom. I'm gonna fall asleep to this tonight, by the way, Face. I'm just gonna be blasting it out of my speakers. My girlfriend's gonna flip. She's gonna be like, turn that off! We're not at
She's gonna-
ZomboCom. Stop it.
It'll grow on her. We're
Yeah,
not
it will.
Zombo.com.
or more
Dude.
reasonably, no, it won't. And
And you're just gonna be like,
And I'll
but you
un-
could do anything.
but you
at
can do
Zombo.com."
anything at ZomboCom.
I'm telling you, dude.
Are you trying
It's-
to say we can't do everything? Is that what you're saying? Well, you need to go to ZomboCom. Dude, even the 10 hour. This is like expanding
10
out. The
hour
more I
thing.
look, the more dots I'm seeing.
Okay, the 10-hour.
10 hours
Damn,
got a
yeah,
dotty
so it's
dot
on the
dot.
standard candle. It's not like I said.
It's-
We got a long way to go to
Oh,
confirm.
Bro,
but
and look at it the 12 hour too. Like it's not there yet, but it's you see that money flow, you see the WAP, the VWAP.
look at the we got a trigger wave on the 1 hour. Very tight trigger wave to the upside. But I haven't been giving these too much attention because we were just getting pushed down
Yep.
in these waves. But there's a little something there, man. Fuck. Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Mark it ZomboCom. ZomboCom. This is Zombo. Dude, I'm weirdly obsessed with this.
I know.
This is ZomboCom.
You can't help it.
I've never heard this before.
You can do anything at Zombo.
And welcome to you, the person at ZomboCom. Cruise. Let's look at some weird time frames. Like 18 hour, how you doing? Looking across, alright. Right. The
Dude, I hate when
infinite is
people ask if I
possible.
look at those stupid square like fucking candles, the Renko candles.
Oh, you
The
know,
hell is that?
Renko's cool, but
Okay, it sounds like the name of my squirrel. Okay, his name is Renko.
if you zoom out on Renko, you'll find that it's not very helpful a lot of the time. This is the whole chart. Welcome to Renko candles.
Yeah, that's.
Here's the whole Coinbase history. Renko candles.
Where's
It's
the
green.
Renko YouTuber? Grow.
Welcome to RenkoCon. Renko candles only. The problem
You can
is
do anything with Renko
you can do anything with Renko candles. Anything at all with Renko.
Renko candles only.
Welcome. We only do
Oh.
TA on Renko candles here.
Yeah, no wonder you people in the chat like Renko candles. It goes going straight
It
up.
just only goes up.
I like Renko candles. They look very good.
They make me feel good. Well, you know that they do. That they do.
It looks like I'm about to spit fireballs and call Yoshi over. Why is that even on the chart? Like, why is this even an option
I'm not sure.
to choose?
So
Who gave that clearance?
what
Who
it's
gave that
doing
clearance?
is it's changing the x-axis. So instead of time, it's based on price change. So like, I don't know. It's interesting. I'm really not sure what you would do with it though.
Do
At
we have
all.
to go on a lower time frame?
Yeah, you got to go down to like what you have to actually do, because it doesn't even make sense to change the time frame, is you have to change up here. I forget. It's been a while.
Oh.
You have to change the
Wow.
ATR. You have to change it from ATR.
Well, you gotta do a calculus algorithm.
Yeah, you need to do a fine non-logarithmic regression, and then you'll find the Renko candle Zombo cut.
There's
Under-
some
It's a Zombo
there's
cut.
some
Welcome. It's just playing quietly in the background.
you
This is
should
Zombo
have. Is it? I
cut.
hope it is.
It
There's
is.
some like kid with braces and Totino's pizza roll, square pepperoni still lodged in the back of his tooth back there, talking about Renko candles.
Renkos. Anything at all. Dude, I can't. I have to like turn this off. It's just too ridiculous. Anything at all. Randomly in the background. Anything. I'm gonna email Zombocom. I'm emailing them.
You're about to zombo blast everyone, aren't you?
It's
You just
quietly
discovered it.
whispering. in the
Dude, it's gonna
background.
make a comeback. We're bringing back Zombo Cup. You can do anything in Zombo. Anything at all. Oh, he says the only limit is yourself.
Is yourself at Zombocom.
Welcome.
Welcome.
That's what he says. The only limit is yourself.
Is yourself. You who are
Welcome.
watching Zombocom. It's my favorite way. I think I might make that like my default homepage now. Like when I open my browser, it'll be like, "Welcome
Yes.
to Zombo," and I'll feel like really
It should be a search engine.
happy. It should just be a screensaver, pleasantly playing in the background at all times. Oh, I dig it. I think the chat likes it too.
And he goes, yeah.
Yeah.
There's one part where he says, he goes, yeah.
Yeah, Zombocom.
Welcome.
Welcome. Just
This
real
is
creepy.
Zombocom.
Real creepy too. Like, yeah, welcome.
This is Zombocom.
And you're
Welcome.
You're like, I don't know if I'm okay with this. I feel uncomfortable now. This guy's way too into my browsing. Zombocom. Oh my gosh. It's getting late. I feel like we gotta wrap it up. I have to go listen to Zombocom on my own time.
Twiddle your thumbs.
Twiddle my thumbs. You know. I think we should wrap it up. It's Zombocom.
Well, thanks for having me, boy. Look, I'm gonna be keeping my eye on these 6 hours, man. You might be right, bro. You might be right. I
they're
better
coming.
come out and hurry up and say it's the bottom.
Yep.
Before last time the fucking went down for half a day. I almost had to wake up and put my foot in my mouth. Anyways, thank you very much, bro.
Whoa.
Thank you so much.
Crypto Face right here. Give him a subscribe. Follow him. He's a good dude. Knows what he's talking about. Makes fun of
Thanks, man.
Renko candles. He's a avid watcher of Zombocom. What more can you say about the man? I mean, really.
Do what I can. Do what
Does what he can. Does what he can. Nothing even is happening. Nothing's even happening. You got time. Go subscribe. You're not doing anything. That's Zombocom. I think for everybody, I just got to pull it up one more time. Zombocom. Welcome. I hope everyone's enjoying this as much as I am, and I know for a fact they're not. Welcome.
This is Zombo.
Alright, I'm out of here. Thank you.
Later, brother.
Zombocom.
Love you
later,
guys. Love you, bro.
You can do anything.
You can do
with
anything.
Zombocom.
Zombocom.
Anything at all. The only
All right,
limit
guys.
is yourself.
The only limit is yourself. At Zombocom. This has been a wild episode. Thanks for joining us, everybody. It's getting late. Nothing else is even Nothing's happening. Just chill out. Take a break from the charts. If you need a break from the charts, take a break. It's okay. It's healthy. It's good for you. Bitcoin, I promise it will be here when you come back. This is a fun episode. Thank you, Gavin. Thank you, CryptoFace. CryptoFace, by the way, his channel link in the video description. Put it in there for you guys. It's a little ease of use. Yes. Go ahead, follow him. We'll do more of this. This was fun. I had a good time. But thanks for joining us, guys. Gavin, you want to have any parting words here? Close out the episode.
I love you all. Tom's my brother. My brother only.
Genetically.
Yeah.
Literally. All right, guys. We'll be back tomorrow. You know how it goes. Got the blue shirt on. Got some Zombocom. Take a break. Relax. Bitcoin. It's gonna be just fine, dudes. Tune out the crap you're hearing. It's gonna be just fine. Anyway, have a good night.